enrollment of the students for various competitions among the classes, which include mono act contest, speech competition, artistic drawings, paper collage, song and dance contest.
All students are encouraged to take participation.
Please inspire a child to take part of this national movement by preparing them for this competition.
Take a video of respective competition which should not exceed more than 3 minutes and send the same to our WhatsApp number 9449400455 on 25th of July 2022 before 7 p.m.
We look forward your cooperation and participation in this character building program.